In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform Survey into Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your Typeform Survey neatly embedded on your Squarespace page, looking great on both desktop and mobile. First, sign into your Typeform account and open the form you've already created. Make sure the form is ready to share. Check your questions, logic, and design so you won't need to come back and change the embed later. When your form is set, head to the Share panel in Typeform. This is where all the publishing options live. Choose the option to embed in a web page. That tells Typeform you want to place the survey directly onto your own site rather than just sharing a link. Next, you'll pick an embed type. Standard is the most common and drops the form into your page content. Full page takes over the entire page, great for a focused experience. Pop-up opens when triggered by a button or link, and slider appears from the side, which can be handy if you want the survey to feel unobtrusive. Once you've chosen, adjust the settings. Set the height so the form has enough space to breathe, and review mobile behavior so it's smooth on smaller screens. If your page has a narrow layout, consider a taller height to minimize internal scrolling. If you're using a pop-up or slider, then align the trigger with where you want people to interact. When the settings look good, click Start Embedding and then copy the generated HTML embed code. This code contains everything Squarespace needs to load the form. Use the copy button to avoid missing characters, and don't edit the code unless you know exactly what you're changing. Now move over to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want the survey to appear. Enter edit mode, add a new block where you want the form, and choose the code block. Paste the Typeform embed code into that block. Make sure you're using a code block, not a markdown or embed block, since you're pasting HTML and JavaScript. If you see a simple placeholder in the editor, that's normal. Some scripts only render on the live page. Place the block where it fits your layout, such as beneath a headline or inside a dedicated section. That's all you need to integrate your Typeform survey into Squarespace. The form should now display within your page and match your site's flow, giving visitors a clean, seamless way to respond.